case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1887, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a case, Mugler v. Kansas, which centered on the constitutionality of state laws regulating the production and sale of alcohol. Kansas statutes prohibited the manufacturing and selling of intoxicating liquors without a permit, which led to the conviction of Mugler for operating without a license. Mugler was fined and ordered to jail until his fines were paid. In another case, Zebold and Hagelin were likewise prohibited from using their brewery for selling or trading alcohol without the proper authority. Both parties argued that the Kansas statutes violated their 14th Amendment rights. The Supreme Court of Kansas affirmed the judgments, however. Mugler contended that his constitutional rights had been denied. The question before the court was whether the Kansas statutes were relevant in achieving their objective without violating constitutional rights. Ultimately, the court ruled in favor of upholding the prohibitions on manufacturing and selling alcohol without a permit. The court found that the defendants were maintaining a common nuisance, and the laws targeted the place and property itself rather than the production of the liquor. The court affirmed the Kansas statutes, and the case was remanded for further actions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.